This is Wrightwood's Blizzard. We got almost 4 feet of snow. Maybe a little more than 4 feet of snow. I was lucky to get my car out of the driveway. My snowblower died, and so I couldn't do anything but hand shovel it. I'll tell you what, that is not a job I would try and give anyone. Wrightwood, California, February, I think it's the 25th, 2022, 23, sorry. Major snow event. And I'm just trying to get out of town so I can go to work. It's supposed to snow again the next 3 days. This is the most I've ever seen. Absolutely crazy. I'm just hoping to get down without any damage. And to actually get down. I'm hitting everything. I'm in a Toyota Prius C. I do have the chains on today, and I'm literally hitting all kinds of stuff. You can hear it. Thank God the chains are holding. I just want to get out of here.